Euro USD. Now we are based on 1 hour chart. If you refer back to my last video when the price was somewhere around here, we have two options. The first thing, in both of them we were looking for buy. The first thing we say, if we have only this correction, we are looking for buy. That means we should get the buy setup we didn't get. The another one, we say there is a possibility the price drop similar to what we have here or what we have here. That means we should wait for the price drop, then from there we look for buy. The first one didn't happen, we didn't get the buy setup, and the second one we get. That's when the price drop, move, and but the only buy setup was here. Okay, for those traders they are in this trade, it's better they take out the trade, or if they can move their stop loss into break even if it's possible, because now the price is somewhere around in 3. Okay, that means this is not a really good trade, and even when we get the trade from here based on lower time frame, when we see this one we should take out the trade. Okay, now what's the next? How are we going to trade it? How about if the price from here continue, because the buy we get here same as usual, we expect the price come here, then from there we make a decision for the continuation or reversal. And now from what we can see here, I see we take out the trade or move our stop loss to break even. Okay, now how about if the price from here continue go up? Are we going to trade for this? No, we don't want it. Even if it's move, we are not going to take. Okay, now what we want to see and what we are expecting. Now we want to get the correction within this, and if we get a down move, we are looking for sell. Okay, and if we get a sell, as long as the price come here, we need to see how deep this one can go. We are not, I mean, our intention the price come here or somewhere around here, then reverse. In that case we are expecting to get the one move down, we get this trade, then from there we look for move up. But how about if the price, we get the sell and the price come to here? Yes, it can happen, but our intention from what we have it, we are expecting the price come here or lower, somewhere around here, then we reverse. Again we take these two buy. The first one this is the second one. Okay, and as I say, we don't want, even from here the price continue, we are not taking the trade. Okay, why? Because we can have look into this correction in different way. The first option is we consider this one as a correction in relative to this one, the correction, and the second one. Then we have a divergence, and this one will become one move. Then since we have a divergence A, B, C, and this is a correction, that means we have one move, internally have a correction, then we get the another correction, in this correction relative to this. For example, if the price come here, then from there we look for the next move. And the next move, what we are is here, we're expecting at least somewhere around here. This is one way we can look for this chart. In both I mean this way we are looking for sell and buy. The another option is we consider this one, and we expect the price drop as a running flat in relative to 1, 2, 3. We have one correction in relative to this. Okay, sorry, in the second option we are looking at for this correction in this way. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, expecting the 3, 1 in relative to this. All this become correction, and mostly the running flat even come to here in relative to this 1, 2, then we look for buy. This is okay, the second option. In the first and second option is similar, it depends how we look at the chart. Okay, both of them can be correct, and in both of them we are expecting the price drop, that's means we're looking for sell, then from there we look for buy. Okay, right now we don't have any sell setup, we just need to follow the chart to see how we can trade it. If I move to 104 hour chart, okay, we see we are within this correction, nothing else. And may I move to 1 hour chart again? Okay, how about if the price, since we say we have this correction, still there is a possibility the price from here move up. This is the analysis we have in my last video, because in my last video we say whether the price from here can move or drop, we get the correction, then price from there can move. Why we had this analysis? Because in that analysis we were expecting we have 1, 2, 3, this is a correction. in relative to this one become a running flat in relative to this, then the one can move. That's why we're looking for buy. But from what we have here, even this one is a correct, we are not interested in this. That's why we say we go for the two options just now I highlighted before this. If the price drop, the best is the price from here drop, this one becomes similar to this, with this, all of this become relative to this. That means we get a more complex correction, is more logic, because in this way this and this will be almost equal and similar with the three wave. Okay, the only things I want to say, we are not going to trade this anymore. But how about if the price from here continue go here, then from there we need to make a decision, what is this correction and what is the next. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now, we just follow the chart and we see how we can get a trade. Thanks.